today we're going to make special hot chocolate. And if you don't know what I mean by special hot chocolate, you're going to find out what I mean in a second. So first, see these directions? We only, for mine, follow this one. And then follow this one. Those are the two. We only follow this one, not these two. So we tear it. There we go. It's stuck. You gotta be careful if it's stuck there. Okay. Next, we pour it into our little cute panda. And then, wait, make sure you have some yummy marshmallows. If you don't, that's fine. And one more. You're good. Okay, next. Don't add hot. Follow these directions. Do warm water up to here is about good. See? Like this. Next, we are going to bring it over to microwave for 30 seconds. And if you have this microwave, then you might want to follow along. But if you don't have this microwave, you can still follow along. Okay. Whoa, I didn't expect that coming. Okay, we're going to do 30 seconds 3 times. And usually while I do 30 seconds, I go and get my straw. Let's see, where are the straws? I don't know where the straws are. Oh, they're up there. I found them. I'll just put them right here so I can use this. Okay, yeah, yellow straw. And it's almost done. But make sure the beeping stops. It's waiting. Next, we do it again. I do this all the time, so if you want special hot chocolate, you should watch this video. And I think we might call it Making Special Hot Chocolates with Adalyn, maybe? I'm not sure. I'll have to come up with a name. And, so, count down with me. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. You want it special, and also, if you have animals like me, I usually get some ice cubes, and you can put them in, one in their, bowl, but when I usually get ice cubes because it'll cool up my hot chocolate. I usually get 3, but it's a small cup, so sometimes I get 2, but mostly 3 most of the time, but sometimes 2. Okay, next we're gonna take it out. I put it right here. We don't put the marshmallows in yet, or the straw. We're going to go over in the freezer, put your hand here. I'll crush cubes. We need cube. There. Okay, we got 3 on accident. Actually, we have more. We'll put one for the animals and put one for the animals. Maybe 2 because we have 2 in here. And put these 2 in here. And then we just wait for it to cool down. And I'm going to probably do one more. I need it to be good. I'm eating little crumbs, but that's fine. Okay, that's perfect. Next, we get this and put it in here. Now, I'm going to get a spoon. There's no more small ones, so a big one will still do. It doesn't really matter. you can stir it with your straw, or you can stir it with a spoon. It doesn't matter. It's going around and around. Who will win, the spoon or the straw? The straw wins. Then, if you want, you can lick the spoon after. Already tasting good. But there's one thing we forgot. This. Okay. Next, we dump all these in. And then we stir it more. Get the hot chocolatey taste. And then you take one out and test it. See, is it enough chocolate? And if it doesn't taste that chocolatey, stir it some more. And then you're done. So I'm going to test it. It's still a little hot, but when it cools down, I'm going to drink it, and it tastes really good already. And make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!